The state government says it will fix Victoria's hospitals by hiring thousands of new doctors and nurses over the next 2 years. In its big health pitch of the election campaign, Labor has promised to inject $1.5 billion into the system. But as Josie Taylor reports, the government was also embarrassed today by some misleading electoral pamphlets.
Marsha Thompson's pamphlet, distributed in the seat of Footscray, promotes Labor's support for schools and an upgraded Sunshine Kindergarten. The problem is,
Sunshine Kindergarten has applied to the state government for 2 funding rounds this year and been knocked back both times.
The Greens say the pamphlet is insulting as the area is disadvantaged and badly needs government funding. Marsha Thompson's Green opponent for the seat of Footscray says the MP should apologise.
And for giving people the impression that that the government is investing in preschool education here where they're not.
Marsha Thompson says her pamphlet should have read Sunshine South Kindergarten. That did receive an upgrade. The Premier says he expects all campaign material to be accurate.
I've got an elevated pulse rate that I'm picking up here.
The government today acknowledged Victoria's hospitals are stretched and promised to inject an extra $1.5 billion into the system.
2,800 additional health workers, nurses, doctors, health professionals across our system over the next 2 years.
Medical professionals say the funding will make a big difference. The opposition's reserving judgment.
If the government were genuine, they should have made a long time ago.
The coalition was in the country promising $70 million to upgrade regional hospitals. In Melbourne, the battle for the seat of Brunswick just got a bit harder for Labor, with independent Phil Cleary throwing his hat into the ring.
It probably makes it a closer contest, yeah.
Because Mr Cleary will preference the Greens and campaign against Labor.
He's got to get rid of all these advisors and all these stupid polling they do. Give it a miss.
No poll would suggest this sort of performance would win votes.
Operation Guardian, Mr Molino, what's the state with that?
Operationally, I can't comment on those details.
Do you know what it is?
Yes, I do.
What?
Well, this is around racial violence and improving a focus on violent behaviour in those areas.
What areas? Operation Guardian's based on the public transport.
That's right.
Saved by a journalist. Josie Taylor, ABC News, Melbourne.